Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel where we crack the code to financial freedom with real strategies, actionable tips, and a sprinkle of unconventional wisdom. Today we're uncovering something the wealthy don't want you to know. 10 secret assets that can build wealth without you breaking a sweat. Forget the overhyped trends or the high-stakes investments that could leave your pockets empty. These assets are strategic, timeless, and yes, incredibly powerful. Whether you're looking to generate passive income, grow your wealth, or even retire early, this list has something for everyone. But before we dive in, let's start with a story, a little something that ties into these secret wealth-building assets. A few years ago, when interest rates dropped to historic lows, major economies gave out loans so cheap it felt like Christmas in July. Why? To stimulate economic recovery after the financial crisis. Governments wanted to boost spending, create jobs, and keep the economy afloat. This opened doors for regular people to invest, purchase assets, and build wealth in unprecedented ways. And here's the kicker. While some took full advantage, others let these golden opportunities slip through their fingers. Today, we'll talk about the types of assets you could have leveraged back then and still can now. So stick around because we're spilling all the secrets. Subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with the holy grail of wealth building, real estate. But not just any real estate. We're talking about income-generating properties. Forget living in your dream home. We're discussing rental properties, multifamily units, or even vacation rentals that put cash in your pocket every month. The beauty of income-generating real estate lies in its versatility. Whether it's a duplex, an apartment complex, or a small commercial property, there are multiple ways to generate income. Rental properties provide consistent cash flow every month, while the property itself appreciates in value over time, building your net worth. But here's the kicker. You don't need a fortune to get started. Low-barrier entry methods like house hacking make it possible for beginners to dive into real estate without breaking the bank. House hacking involves buying a multi-family property, living in one unit, and renting out the others to cover your mortgage. This not only reduces your living expenses, but also sets you up for future wealth. Another option? Co-ownership models. Teaming up with like-minded investors or family members allows you to pool resources and invest in properties that may be out of reach individually. Co-ownership agreements outline each person's responsibilities and share of profits, making it easier to manage and grow your real estate portfolio together. And don't forget about tax benefits. Real estate investors can deduct mortgage interest, property taxes, and even depreciation, reducing their taxable income. With the right strategy and a focus on properties in high-demand areas, income-generating real estate can become the cornerstone of your financial success. Now let's switch gears and dive into the world of dividend-paying stocks. This secret asset has the potential to build wealth. Ever heard the saying, "Make your money work harder than you do"? Dividend-paying stocks are like loyal employees for your portfolio. They pay you regularly for just holding them. These aren't flashy, high-risk investments. They're the steady workhorses of the stock market that can quietly build your wealth over time. What makes dividend-paying stocks so appealing is their consistent income stream. Companies like Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, and Coca-Cola have a long history of rewarding their shareholders, even during economic downturns. These blue-chip companies are known for their reliability and stability, making them a popular choice for wealth builders. For beginners, a simpler way to invest in dividend-paying stocks is through dividend-focused ETFs. These funds pool together a variety of dividend-paying companies, offering instant diversification and reducing the risk of relying on a single stock. For example, ETFs like the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, VYM, or the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, SCHD, allow you to benefit from the income and growth potential of multiple companies while keeping fees low. Now, let's talk future-proof industries. Companies in sectors like renewable energy and healthcare innovation are leading the charge. Renewable energy giants like NextEra, energy and utilities focused on clean energy are steadily increasing dividends while contributing to a greener future. Similarly, healthcare companies developing life-saving treatments or operating in elder care are thriving due to aging populations and advancements in medical technology. Let's do the math. Investing $10,000 in a dividend-focused ETF with a 4% yield could earn you $400 annually in passive income. Reinvest those dividends, and you'll tap into the magic of compounding, where your money works harder every year. Dividend-paying stocks and ETFs are the perfect combination of stability and growth, allowing you to build wealth steadily while minimizing risk. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, they're a must-have in your portfolio. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far and want more content like this, comment the word "more" so I know. All right, time to turn our attention to digital assets. We're in the digital age, so why not take advantage of the endless opportunities online? Forget speculative assets like NFTs and focus on more stable digital assets with real-world value. Think websites, online courses, and SaaS, software as a service products. Take websites, for instance. You can build or buy a website that generates income through advertising, affiliate marketing, or subscription fees. Imagine owning a site that reviews products in a niche market. With consistent traffic, this site could bring in $2,000 a month just from affiliate sales. Another digital asset gaining traction is SaaS. If you have technical skills, creating software that solves a common problem can be incredibly lucrative. Subscription-based models ensure steady revenue. For example, a project management tool or a specialized app for small businesses can create a recurring income stream with minimal overhead. Then there's the world of online education. Platforms like Teachable and Thinkific allow you to monetize your expertise. Suppose you're skilled in graphic design. By creating a comprehensive course on Adobe Photoshop, you can sell it to a global audience. With just 100 students paying $100 each, that's $10,000 in revenue, and the best part is, it's scalable. All right, let's shift our focus to precious metals and commodities, one of the best-kept secrets for building wealth. Gold, silver, and even energy commodities like natural gas and lithium are more than shiny distractions. They're anchors of stability in uncertain times. Precious metals have long been considered safe haven assets, protecting wealth against inflation and economic downturns. But let's get specific. Gold and silver are not just about keeping value. They're also highly liquid, meaning you can buy and sell them easily. Imagine investing $10,000 in gold at $1,800 per ounce. If economic uncertainty drives the price to $2,200 per ounce, you've just made a tidy profit. Now, energy commodities like lithium are especially appealing. Why? Lithium powers electric vehicles, EVs, and is a cornerstone of the green energy revolution. Investing in lithium mining companies or ETFs focused on green energy materials can be a forward-thinking move. With EV demand surging, this commodity offers a mix of stability and growth potential. For those who prefer lower-risk entry points, consider commodity-focused ETFs. These funds diversify your investment across metals, energy, and agricultural products, reducing the risks of holding a single asset. Whether you're hedging against inflation or looking for a steady growth opportunity, precious metals and modern commodities deserve a spot in your portfolio. Our next asset might not be as shiny, but it sure holds immense value: index funds and ETFs. If picking individual stocks feels like gambling, index funds and ETFs offer a safer, smarter alternative. These investments provide instant diversification by tracking the performance of an entire market index, like the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ 100. The beauty of these funds lies in their simplicity. For example, investing $10,000 in an S&P 500 index fund with an average annual return of 8% can grow to over $46,000 in 20 years, thanks to compounding. And with ETFs, you can target specific sectors like renewable energy, healthcare, or even dividend-paying stocks, tailoring your investments to your goals. In 2025, thematic ETFs focused on AI, clean energy, and healthcare innovation are trending. These sectors are booming due to advancements in technology, an aging population, and global sustainability efforts. By investing in these ETFs, you tap into industries poised for long-term growth without the risk of betting on a single company. Low fees are another advantage. Many index funds and ETFs have expense ratios below 0.1%, meaning more of your money goes toward growth rather than management costs. They're perfect for hands-off investors who want stability and steady returns. Whether you're just starting or a seasoned investor, index funds and ETFs are a must-have. All right, folks, it's time to unleash your creative genius. Our next secret weapon for building wealth is intellectual property. Intellectual property, IP, is a hidden gold mine for wealth creation. Whether it's a patent, copyright, or trademark, IP can generate stable, long-term income. Think about inventing a product, writing a best-selling book, or even creating a hit YouTube channel. These are all forms of IP that can pay you for years to come. Take the example of digital content creators. Podcasts, blogs, and even video courses are assets you can own, monetize, and scale. Once created, they can generate income through ad revenue, sponsorships, or subscription models. For instance, a YouTube channel with 100,000 subscribers could bring in $5,000 a month through ads and brand deals. Patents are another lucrative IP route. If you invent a product and license it to companies, you earn royalties for every unit sold without lifting a finger. For example, a simple household gadget with mass appeal could bring in 6 figures annually through licensing agreements. And don't forget about trademarks. Building a strong brand identity, whether for a business or personal use, can create value over time. Think about how Nike's iconic swoosh or McDonald's golden arches have become invaluable assets for their companies. The best part? Intellectual property can be scaled infinitely. You create it once and enjoy the financial rewards for years, making it one of the most efficient wealth-building tools available. Whether you're an inventor, writer, or entrepreneur, leveraging IP can unlock immense financial potential. By the way, if you're interested in creating a successful faceless YouTube channel that generates passive income, check out the Tube Mastery and Monetization course linked below the video. You'll learn step-by-step how to do it right, without the struggle of figuring it out on your own. And the best part? They offer a 100% money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied within 30 days. Sign in today and start your journey to YouTube success. Let's move on to the next powerful asset for building wealth, your skills and education. Here's the truth. The most stable and profitable asset you'll ever own is you. Investing in your skills and education isn't just a wealth-building strategy. It's a necessity in 2025 and beyond. The job market is evolving rapidly, with industries like AI, clean energy, and healthcare innovation leading the charge. Staying ahead means continuously upgrading your skill set. Imagine this. A software developer earning $80,000 per year learns a new programming language like Python, which is in high demand. Suddenly, they land a remote job that pays $120,000 annually. That $40,000 raise is the return on a $2,000 course and a few months of dedicated learning. It's not just about hard skills either. Soft skills like negotiation, public speaking, and leadership are equally valuable. Mastering these can position you for promotions, new job opportunities, or even entrepreneurship. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning make upskilling more accessible than ever. And let's not forget certifications. Industries like cybersecurity, renewable energy, and project management offer certifications that not only make you stand out, but can also lead to higher salaries. For example, a project management professional, PMP certification could increase your earnings by 25%. Investing in yourself is the ultimate recession-proof strategy. No matter how markets fluctuate or industries change, your knowledge and expertise will always have value. As Benjamin Franklin famously said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So, whether you're just starting your career or looking for a change, bet on yourself. You're your most valuable asset. All right, folks, it's time to spotlight the incredible potential of small businesses and side hustles. Starting a small business or side hustle is one of the most practical ways to build wealth. Why? because platforms and tools have made it easier than ever to turn an idea into a thriving venture. From selling handmade goods on Etsy to launching a drop-shipping store on Shopify, the possibilities are endless. The real appeal of a small business is its scalability. Let's say you start selling a simple product, like eco-friendly reusable bags. With a few initial sales and some marketing, your business could grow into a recognizable brand. Take inspiration from Allbirds, a sustainable shoe company that began as a side project and grew into a billion-dollar enterprise. Another lucrative trend is offering subscription-based services. For example, a fitness coach could create an app offering workout plans and charge $10 a month. With just 1,000 subscribers, that's $10,000 in recurring monthly income. One key advantage of side hustles is control. Unlike traditional jobs, you determine your earning potential, work hours, and growth rate. Additionally, the rise of AI tools like ChatGPT allows small businesses to streamline operations, whether it's customer service, content creation, or product development, saving both time and money. Success requires strategy. Identify a niche, test your ideas on a small scale, and reinvest profits to grow. With persistence and a willingness to learn, even a side hustle can become a significant source of stable income. Let's move on to the next powerful asset for building wealth: renewable energy projects. The world is shifting towards green energy, and renewable energy projects are not just good for the planet, they're also good for your wallet. Solar farms, wind power, and even green hydrogen initiatives offer exciting opportunities to generate stable income. For instance, leasing solar panels to homeowners or investing in renewable energy ETFs can provide consistent returns while supporting sustainable development. One ambitious project worth noting is Denmark's plan to build a giant energy island in the North Sea. This island will generate enough wind power to distribute electricity across Europe. Yes, you read that right. A whole island dedicated to clean energy. While it may sound like a sci-fi movie, it's becoming a reality. At some point, we'll have to step away from the baby drill era and start taking climate change seriously. Renewable energy investments are part of this future. For example, installing solar panels on your property can reduce your energy costs and even earn you money by selling excess electricity back to the grid. Additionally, funds and projects focused on lithium, wind turbines, or EV charging infrastructure are gaining traction. As demand for electric vehicles and green technology grows, these investments offer not only financial rewards, but also a chance to contribute to a sustainable world. Renewable energy projects aren't just an investment. They're a step towards securing the future of our planet and your finances. Now let's switch gears and talk about peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P lending has come a long way since its inception, growing into a stable, accessible way to generate income. This method allows you to lend money directly to borrowers through platforms like Lending Club or Prosper, earning interest on your capital. Think of it as becoming your own bank, except you control where your money goes. Here's how it works. Lenders fund small portions of loans requested by borrowers, often for personal or business purposes. Borrowers repay the loans with interest, and lenders pocket the difference. For example, if you invest $5,000 across multiple loans with an average return of 8%, you're looking at $400 in annual passive income. Diversification across multiple loans mitigates the risk of default, making it a relatively secure investment option. Historically, P2P lending became a lifeline during the 2008 financial crisis. Banks tightened lending standards, and millions of small businesses and individuals turned to P2P platforms for financing. This alternative lending model boomed and has since become a staple for those seeking stable returns outside the stock market. P2P lending has evolved with new features like AI-driven borrower assessments and blockchain-backed contracts, making the process more transparent and secure. Additionally, many platforms now offer automated investment tools, allowing you to set your risk tolerance and let the system manage your portfolio. Whether you're looking for steady income or a way to diversify your investments, P2P lending offers an innovative and profitable option. Just remember to spread your investments across multiple loans and choose platforms with a proven track record for reliability. And there you have it, 10 assets that can secretly build your wealth. Whether it's real estate, digital assets, or simply investing in yourself, these strategies can transform your financial future. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight, but with consistency and smart decisions, you can create a life of abundance. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. It is important to conduct thorough research and consult with financial professionals before making any investment decisions. The value of investments can fluctuate, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Always assess your risk tolerance and investment goals before allocating your capital. If you found this video helpful, I highly recommend watching my next video, which is the perfect complement to this one. Don't hesitate to share this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.